step into the Honda 2006 Accord 2.4 VP. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include 166 horsepower, 2.4-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, automatic transmission, center console, full with covered storage, clock, in-radio display and cruise control. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.